size seems complex, but you don't have to worry. And DM me your favorite photo or picture or whatever you want in my Instagram, and I'll do it for you for free. Not all, but maybe for first 50. And if you use After Effects, I'll provide you the project file for free. You can do it yourself. I uploaded this video just for fun. I don't know what to upload, what kind of content do you like. I don't even know if you are active or not, you follow my channel or not. So, and through this video I want to know what do you expect of me, what kind of video you want to see. If you want to see me doing something like tutorials video or even fun videos or commentary, whatever, I'll do it for you. So please let me know if you're active, and if you care about this channel, help me to set my channel in some direction. So please do comment down below, it will help me so much.